65-acre campus, 200 programs, NEC A+ rating, and a fee structure that is cheaper than most of the universities in the city. Yes, I am talking about Uttaranchal University. Hi, I am Soumya from Click2 Colleges, and I have spent 2 weeks in searching about Uttaranchal University, the real numbers, the placement data, and about the campus life. Uttaranchal University opened in 2013. It holds full recognition from UGC, and it runs under the Uttaranchal University Act. Every professional program like engineering, law, pharmacy, and architecture is grounded by the relevant bodies. The campus sits in Prem Nagar, Dehradun, with open space and green surroundings. The kind of campus that does not feel like it was built inside a parking lot. अब बात करते हैं एक ऐसी चीज की जो उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी को स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कंसिडरेबल बनाता है, नेक A+ रेटिंग। नेक A+ कोई एक पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, इट इज अ बेंचमार्क जो उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी से ज्यादा पुरानी और एस्टेब्लिश्ड यूनिवर्सिटी भी स्ट्रगल कर रही है मेंटेन करने के लिए। एंड NRIF ranks them nationally and consistently. 200 programs and one campus. Pick almost any field, UU has a track for it. Along with common programs, Uttaranchal University also has niche programs like BSc Forensic Sciences, BTech Food Technology, and Integrated Law. BTech now runs industry-ready specializations like Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Cyber Security, and Internet of Things. ये ऐसी डिग्रीज हैं जहां से एक्चुअली में हायरिंग हो रही है। MBA covers marketing, finance, HR, and business analytics. And admissions work through both national exams and the university's own test. Still confused which program fits your background and career goal? Call us. The number is right there in the description. Labs are modern and well equipped. The classrooms are set up for actual learning and not just sitting. Hostels offer single, double, and triple sharing rooms along with 3 to 4 meals a day. Also, there are no serious complaints about the hygiene and consistency, which is more than you can say about the hostels. Faculty is qualified and involved beyond just delivering lectures. The curriculum lean into practical outcomes by live projects, case studies, and lab hours that connect the real skills. And then there is everything outside the classrooms. 50 plus clubs, sports infrastructure, and a cultural calendar that actually runs. Now, the section you actually came here for. Yes, placements. BTech CSE with the highest package of 1.5 CPA and an average package of 5.8 LPA. MBA with the highest package of 12.5 LPA and the average package of 7.8 LPA. Overall, 400 plus companies on campus every year, 85% plus placement rate, and 6,000 plus students placed annually. The companies coming to the campus are not small names. They are Infosys, Wipro, HDFC Bank, Bajaj, and Axis Bank. Want year-wise data or the placement numbers for a specific branch? Ask your questions in the free community link in the bio. Total program cost, all including hostel, BTech 4-year total is around 10 to 15 lakhs, MBA 2 years total is 5 to 7 lakh, BBA or BCA 3-year total is rupees 5 to 7 lakhs. And UU run scholarships across multiple programs which are merit based and need based. Not sure which scholarship you qualify for? Call us. We will guide you for free. So here's where I land on Uttaranchal University, Dehradun. Visit in person, walk the campus, talk to the students who are already studying there, and then make the decision for yourself. If this helped, hit like, share, and subscribe for more such reviews. Drop a comment below which university you want me to review next. See you in the next one.